I'm showing you here how I'm going to create a quick and easy DIY chandelier using a ring from Old Drum Shade. Here you'll see all the gook and the gunk that I use scissors to scrape it off of. This is what was used to adhere the shade to the ring. Now you can see it's cleared and cleaned. Now I'm going to take some crystal glass garland beads that I purchased from Amazon, and I adhere them to the ring using the jump rings that came with them. And I adhered the chandelier to the ceiling using cable pins. And here you have where you can change an existing lighting fixture and add glam to it. Here there's the Dollar Tree bowls and the chandelier ring. And then these are adhered to the ceiling, and the lighting source are remote control push lights purchased from Amazon. Quick and easy DIY crystal bling chandeliers. Thank you for watching.